Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to drive Nissan Maxima. Start by adjusting the seat and mirrors so you have full control and clear visibility before you move. Fasten your seatbelt and confirm mirrors and cameras are set. Learn smooth throttle control and how to use the CVT effectively, keeping RPM moderate. Practice progressive braking and scanning for signs, lane markings, and blind spots while staying calm and focused. Begin with a calm walk-around inspection of the Maxima, checking tires, lights, and fluid levels before you start driving. Use the push-button start and familiarize yourself with dash indicators and camera views. When pulling away, apply gentle throttle and let the CVT adapt, avoiding sudden revs. Signal early, maintain lane position, and keep a safe following distance. These habits build confident, safe operation on city streets and highways. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is perfect for drives, with a leak-proof lid and easy carry handle to keep you hydrated on long commutes. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one and stay comfortable behind the wheel. Staying hydrated helps you focus and avoid fatigue. Now let's get back to the video. Master steering inputs to achieve smooth, predictable handling in the Maxima, keeping motions controlled and deliberate. Use hands at 9 and 3 and make gradual corrections instead of abrupt turns to maintain passenger comfort. For hill starts, use brake hold if available or apply gentle throttle while releasing the brake to prevent rollback. On highways, merge at speed, check blind spots, and anticipate traffic to keep the drive steady and safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.